This short video will teach preparers how to register for the FWSP online system. The web address is fwsp.rutgers.edu. To log in and create your account, click the blue Login with NetID button. Enter your NetID and password and click Login. You will now be prompted to enter your information. Choose Preparer from the Access Level drop-down list. Next, begin typing either your 6-digit FWSP ID or the name of your department in the Department Name field. Choose the correct department from the drop-down list and click Submit. You should see a message that confirms your request was submitted. You can now log out. All registrations require approval from the Student Employment Office staff. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for approval before attempting to log in again. Once your registration has been approved, you will be able to access the online system anytime by visiting fwsp.rutgers.edu and entering your NetID and password. You do not need to be on campus to access the online system.